If you are running an employment agency business, then this video is especially for you. Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your employment agency business. Now, managing tasks like sharing job openings, collecting CVs, and sharing interview updates would be time consuming for you. But we can automate this whole process in 3 simple steps. First of all, we set up our chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Then user sends a message on WhatsApp and our chatbot instantly responds with the right information. If you also want to build this powerful automation for your business, then I'll take you to my screen for step-by-step process. So this is the chatbot that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow, and before we begin the process of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real time. For that, I'll take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate our chatbot, I'm going to send a general message, hi. And as you can see, our chatbot instantly responds with this welcome message. Hello and welcome to Smart Hire Jobs. We are here to help you find your next job easily. What you would like to do today? And as you can see, I'm getting 3 quick reply buttons: browse job, submit my CV, and interview status. If I click on this browse job button, it has responded with this complete available job list. As you can see, if I click on this open list, I can see all the available jobs here. Now if I click on this interview status, as you can see, it is asking me for my registered phone number or email address. As you can see, it responds us with this message: checking your application. If selected, you will receive interview details shortly. If pending, we'll notify you as soon as we have updates. So that's how our chatbot works. If you also want to create this powerful chatbot, then you need to type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. This will take you to the Pabbly's landing page. If you are a new user, just click on free sign up to create a free account. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and tap on sign in to log in. Now as you can see here, all the apps provided by Pabbly are visible on this page. We need to go to Pabbly Chatflow and then tap on the Access Now button. As you can see here, we are arrived on the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. You'll notice several options available here. On the left side, there are multiple features listed and we will go through them one by one. So let's start with the first one, dashboard. It gives you a quick summary like total chats, active user, and overall bot performance. Next is the inbox. All your messages land here. You can reply to user in real time. Then comes contacts. This shows the list of people who chatted with your bot. You can check their details or group them. After that, we have team queues, useful if you work in a team. You can assign chats to team members. Next is template. There are WhatsApp approved messages to reach users who haven't replied in 24 hours. Then we have broadcast. Use this to send messages in a bulk for promotions or updates. Now comes flows. This is where actually we build our chatbot and set up the conversation. Next is AI assistant. It helps you faster with smart suggestions. Then we have activity log. Here you can track everything done by you or your team. After that, we have settings. Here you can control your account, chatbot preferences, and more. And finally, get help. This section has frequently asked questions, tutorials, and support if you need any help. On the dashboard, you'll notice 4 options: credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and WhatsApp number added. If you want to add your WhatsApp number, just click this button over here. You will get 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. You can choose WhatsApp Connect to integrate your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. You can choose Manual Token Connect to connect your WhatsApp number using Meta Access Token. If you would like a step-by-step guide, make sure to check out the detailed video over here. So now let's look at the process of creating WhatsApp chatbot. For that, you need to go to flow section. Here you will see flow builder page where you can view your total flows, active flows, and inactive flows. You'll find your pre-existing flows listed here, the ones you have already created earlier. Now you will see a button called add flow. Just tap on it and a new flow will be created. Before we start creating our chatbot, let's change the flow name first. As you can see, I've changed the flow name. And this node here is the starting point. It's where our chatbot gets triggered by keyword, regex, or pre-approved templates. In the keyword field, you will enter the word that will trigger your chatbot. Regex stands for regular expression. It means it identifies the keywords within the longer messages and activates our chatbot. And by using choose template, we can use pre-approved template to start our chatbot. We are going to use universal regex, which will trigger our chatbot with any text. We can enable case sensitivity by using this option right here. Now let's start creating our chatbot. So first I will create a welcome message. For that I will drag and drop this hollow point like this and select text plus button. Now I will create a welcome message. As you can see, this is our welcome message and we are using these asterisk symbols to make our font bold. We just need to type that text between two asterisk symbol and it will going to be bold and more visually appealing to the user. Also, we can preview our message by using this I button, how it will look to the user. Now I will add 3 buttons. One to browse job, one to submit the CV, and one to check interview status. Now I'm going to create response for each button. Let's start with this first one. For that, I'll drag and drop this hollow point like this and select this list option. Now I will add header, body. Now I will add available jobs. For that, I will use this option, add section. Now I will add section title. As you can see, I've added section title as job. Now I will tap on this add items to add job details. Now I'll enter a title, which is location of our job. Now I will enter a job description. By using same process, I will add 2 more jobs in this list. As you can see, I've added 2 more jobs, one remote job and one Delhi NCR location job. Now we can preview this list by using this preview icon. Now if I click on this open list, I can see all the available jobs like this. Now I'm going to create response for our second quick reply button, which is submit my CV. For that, I will go to this actions and drag and drop this option, ask media. Now I will enter a message. As you can see, this is our message. Please send your CV as PDF or Word file here. Once we receive it, we will match you with the best opportunities. Now I will create contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the description box. I will select media type as document. Now I will connect this node to our quick reply button like this. Now I will create response for our third quick reply button, which is interview status. For that, I'll drag and drop this ask question node like this and create our message. As you can see, I've added my message and in this message, I'm asking for their phone number or email address. We can store these address in contact custom field. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the description box. And I will select format as any. And before proceeding further, I will add this third quick reply button to our message like this. Now I will create further response. For that, I will drag and drop this option like this and select text plus button. Now I will add a message. As you can see, I've added this message. And as you can see, our chat flow is completed. To save our flow, we just need to tap on this save button. Now it's your turn to create this chatbot and try it for your business. So that's how you can build this powerful automation for your business. Not only this, you can create multiple chatbot for different purposes. If you have any doubts, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For queries, write it on forums.pabbly.com. For pricing related details, check out this link given over here. Now go and create WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.